Natty wine girl, don't need to read your mind, I can see the signs, girl. Hey, hey, if love is blind, girl, body like Braille, let me read between the lines, girl. Down like loose change, let's try new things. Way you shake your body, give me mood swings. Running through my mind, she go Usain. Got me thinking about giving.
It's about to. I thought I had it charged, but I guess not. I see. I need it for when we get in the water. Good afternoon from Daytona Beach. It's like 3 o'clock, and on Saturday we go home tomorrow, so we decided to come out here and spend the day at the beach. We are kind of unprepared. I forgot sunscreen. Honey forgot his swim trunks, so he got to go in his regular shorts. But this is the boys' first time at a real beach, so I'm extremely excited to get out here and have some fun. I'm not gonna be able to record as much today because my camera is about to die. I did not realize that. I'm gonna see if I can put it in the car on the charger and let it charge. Hopefully it will, because I want to get as much of this as I can, because like I said, it's their first time at the beach, like the real beach. The beaches in Cleveland suck, so this is the first time in the ocean. So look at my sandy boy. Hey. He came in and started playing in the sand already, and we just got here. We gonna see. So we spending the day in Daytona today. Very excited. I didn't record this morning because I was extremely tired. We got up this morning, we had breakfast, and then I needed a nap. I took it on the way here, so therefore I didn't tell y'all where we were headed to because I was sweet. But we here now, and we about to make a good day of it. The weather is beautiful. I thank God, because I've been praying this whole time. Like, I just want to be able to get in the water. I want to have sunny days. I want to have a good time, and the Lord came through. Some of y'all be sleeping on prayer, but prayer works. Because I swear I prayed this weather away all week. I've been praying this weather away for the last 2 weeks, and we have had excellent weather since we got here. Did it rain? Yeah. Did it rain us out? No. Still been having a good time. We get up early in the morning and leave tomorrow, so we're gonna make the best of the rest of this day. Like I said, it's already like 2 almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know how long we plan on being here, but we're gonna make the best of while we're here, because we leave tomorrow our flight leaves at 7:30 in the morning. So that sucks. Why I did that, how I did that, just know I'll never do it again. But I'm gonna turn the camera off until we get in the water, because like I said, it's about to die, and I didn't realize that. Hopefully I can put it on the charger in the car, and it'll charge in the car. our time here at the beach. We had an amazing time. We got wiped out by the waves a couple of times. I got water all in my ear. Honey got water in his ears. We scraped up our knees, but we had a good time. So now we're about to try to go get something to eat. And then I'm not sure. It's our last day. Come here, Ryan.
Yeah.
How was your first time at the beach?
Good.
Good. You liked it?
Mhm.
Had fun?
Mhm.
You went out there in the water?
Mhm.
You got wiped out by a wave or two?
Yeah.
Would you come back?
Mhm. That was
Goofy.
so cool, though.
It was what?
Cool.
Where your brother? Gotta wash our hair. Man, my hair got wet. This phone's got salt all in it and sand all in it. It's cool though. Come here, Bubby Wubby. Come here. How was your first time at the beach?
Good.
Good. You liked it? You had fun? You went in the water?
Also, say something.
Did you go in the water, goofball? Water was warm, wasn't it?
Marcel shy.
Yeah, I'm proud of y'all. Y'all did good.
Yeah, but Marcel was shy.
I'm sorry the GoPro died, so... And I didn't bring the other camera at all because I figured we're at the beach, all I need is the GoPro. And then I didn't realize that the GoPro wasn't charged, so... I did not get nearly the footage I wanted. But, whatever. We'll see y'all when we go get something to eat. It's like 8:30 at night. And we on our way back to the house. We stopped and ate Subway. I feel like it took us forever to get from Daytona Beach back to our side of town. And then I don't even know why it took us through tolls coming back and we didn't hit none going out there. I didn't even see none. And this time it took us through tolls, a couple of them. But we just now going back to the house. We all gotta take showers, get this sand up off us. We all got little 6-inch sandwiches from Subway just to hold us over till dinner, but it's almost 9 o'clock and we got an early flight tomorrow, so I don't know what we about to do because everybody got to take a shower. I don't know what we're about to do. And we were supposed to have a night out by ourselves. And my dad was going to watch the kids. But that's not about to happen. Because we all got to get ready. We got to be at the airport by what time? The plane leave at 7:30. So we got to be at the airport by 5:30 in the morning. Which means and the airport is 40 minutes from the house. So that means we got to be out of the house by 5 o'clock, no later than 5 o'clock. Like 4:45, 5 o'clock, no later. So that gift is out the window. We had to get our alone time when we get home. But anyway, and I'm gonna try to wash our clothes before we leave. Go home and not have to do it, but then again, I don't know. I gotta wash clothes when we get home anyway, so I might not stress it. I don't know. I guess we'll see y'all back at the house. So it is almost 2 o'clock in the morning, if not 2 o'clock in the morning already. And I'm sitting on the couch and I should be getting ready for my flight that will be leaving in 5 hours. I would have to get up and go to the airport in 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I'd be getting up and leaving here to go to the airport to catch our flight. But our flight was on Spirit and they canceled them. Spirit just canceled all of their Sunday flights. Why, I do not know. I waited on hold for over an hour on the phone, and next thing you know, they just hung up. So I'm beyond pissed right now. But the good thing is, neither one of us have to work tomorrow or Monday. So I just had to reschedule our flights for Monday evening. So we leave Monday at 5:15 p.m. And thank God this house was available. It's available until Wednesday. So I booked another night here. So we'll be here just chilling. Because, and then we have to check out Monday at 10 a.m. So I guess we'll just wait at the airport. I don't know. But this trip was going so well. And then it just went so bad. So fast. But I'm done stressing about it because I was just like pulling my hair out. Like, what are we supposed to do? That's probably why my voice sounds like this, on top of me trying to be quiet because everybody's asleep. But I literally about had a heart attack when I saw that. Like, our flight got canceled. What do you mean it got canceled? And then it's like, nobody else has anything going to Cleveland that is remotely close to reasonable. Not even just affordable. They don't have nothing that's even remotely close to reasonable. Like, a couple people had flights for $450 a person. Not Sunday, like Sunday. It's 4 of us. $450 a person just to get back home. I wasn't about to do that. Same thing, like Monday. Like, the cheapest day we could get home was Tuesday or Wednesday, but I have to work Tuesday and Wednesday, and so does he. And the kids are not about to miss school Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because we couldn't get home. I already got a call. Now I have to call and tell the rental car place that that we can't bring the car back tomorrow. Well, we could, but I have to ask them for another day with the rental car. I have to call the kids' school and call them out of school for Monday. And my day at home, cleaning my house and washing clothes and chilling in my bed, turned into air flights, and traveling and hustle and bustle, and then getting up Tuesday and going back into normal life. I hate traveling that way. I like to have a day where I don't have to do nothing. I like to have at least one day where I don't have to do nothing before I go back to work. I can take a chill pill from my vacation, because generally speaking, during vacation, you don't just chill. So I need a chill day, and that's always how I schedule my vacations. But I'm not going to get that this time. We have hustle and bustle on Monday, and it's back to this regularly scheduled program by Tuesday. And I don't like that, but whatever. And then, I don't know, it was all going so well. Even though I'm kind of happy, I did not want to have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I really didn't. So, at least tomorrow we get to chill. We don't have nothing planned tomorrow because we were supposed to be gone. My dad and his girlfriend leave tomorrow, so it'll just be us tomorrow night. I don't know. I'm about to go to bed since I don't have to get up early. Well, no, I'm about to call Avis and see if we can keep the car for another day. And then I'm going to bed. So I guess we'll see y'all tomorrow. Good night.